Hi Charlie, hi everyone, I'm Javier, I'm from Venezuela. I'm here to do a short review about Charlie's program. So before you get access to Charlie's app, he's gonna ask you a question about your personal life, your eating, your training experience, and also what you're looking forward after you complete the program. And then you're gonna get access to the app where you can find your diet and your training workout. So for the diet, you go one for your not for your training days and one for your not training days. And then for the workout, you got your cardio and the workouts. I think for the first week, Charlie is just getting you ready for what is coming. And then you go the Charlie's pump, which is insane. So Charlie's gonna tell you what you have to do, how you're gonna do it, and then you're gonna feel so every single day after you complete those workouts, trust me. And then for the last 2 weeks, you go upper and lower workout, which is I think I told Charlie about this. He doesn't get easier, he just get harder. And this is when you wanna push yourself even more to get the best result. Also, you have the Facebook group where you can find any help if you have problem with the workout, if you don't understand something, or if you wanna replace something from your diet. But also you can get in touch with Charlie for that. My experience, so at the beginning I didn't like the way I was looking. So I think I was looking really skinny, and then I was like, I just gonna trust the process. And then after 4 weeks, I saw the definition on my shoulders, my legs, my chest, my back. I was like, I like it, I wanted more. So I've been working really hard from then. And also just to see myself waking up every morning to go to the gym and do my 45-minute or 1 hour cardio. I think that is discipline, and I want to say thank you to Charlie for that as well. And something about Charlie, I think Charlie is authentic. He's a really nice person. And then if you need any help, if you need to change something from your diet, he's gonna help you out with that. So I just wanna say muchas gracias, Charlie, for your help, and thank you.
I've actually lost over 8 kilograms already with Charlie, which is just incredible.
Charlie makes it very easy to see results.
I wasn't sure if it was for females, so I contacted him and he put my mind at rest.
Okay, so shoot down with David. How was that, my man?
Awesome.
Look how ripped his abs are, looking shredded.
I am in such a better place mentally, physically. Damn, look at that gun.
Charlie's amazing. He does nothing but share value constantly, every single day.
From the last month, people have been telling me that I look great.
It was really a great experience with his workouts and his support.
I'd highly recommend the program to anyone, a novice.
I've actually been with other PTs, I'm not going to mention names, but Charlie's is just out the water compared to the rest of those guys.
It was such a great program, I highly recommend it to anyone.
Okay, so just finished up a wonderful training session this morning. How was that? Brilliant.
It's been an amazing 8 weeks.
But actually I just knew with Charlie there was something a bit different.
I'm diabetic, so I wasn't sure if he could cater to me training, my dietary needs. He did, he came back, he wrote me a great plan.
Absolutely loved the program. I've never done anything like it before.